She hides it directly under a hide. Oh, he's sniffing Bonzai's butt though. Not a good idea.
Timmy's tail's bleeding.
Good.
Whose tail is bleeding?
The mouse.
Maybe they were fighting.
Timmy, wait.
Okay, you can be near here and you can make noise, but you can't move very much.
Stop moving.
Oh boy, the whole fight's going to take place under a rock.
Over here you can see it.
Ah, your hand blocked me. But I think I still got it.
I missed the attack.
Yes.
And he might bite him.
Oh, is Jerry gonna bite him?
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, Jerry's trying to escape. Look.
That's Timmy.
Tap his head.
Yeah, I missed the attack.
But is he still alive? Why did he stop moving? He's just chilling. He's like, what's up, bro?
There's not a lot he can do. He's just suffocating.
Rip.
And he's got him hugged with more his whole body and that big fat part of his body.
Is he biting?
No. I can see it from this angle. He's definitely not biting.
Rip bozo. What?
All right, I'm going to pause for a minute while he sits there gripping him just like this. Well, he just suddenly let go. Don't tell me we're going to have another eat from the tail situation. Look at that. Bonsai is also going for the tail. Last time though, Bonsai completely let go and sniffed around and found his head. Would you look at this? I wonder if this is a ball python thing. Looks like he's going to eat it from the butt.
Look, so you carve a share of wheel this way. So with an A twist, you would twist it this way. So fall into a handstand. Right when you're about to go over, you're going to twist this way, but your hands are going to be on the ground and twist on every side. Kind of like a round walk, right? So right when you're about to fall, twist, 180 twist, but make it super inverted like this, dude. Look, this is you. Go for it, go.
What the heck is this guy doing? Maybe his teeth are caught in the fur and he's trying to let go, maybe? Maybe he's walking his mouth up to the head.
Right? Right when you're like this, you're going to twist out this way. Go. Go. Yes. For real. For real, Soren, go. For real, Soren, or I'll flip on your foot. Come on. Come on, bro. Yes, exactly. Go. Straight.
He knows something's wrong, yep. Yep. He's like, what the heck? Where's this guy's head? Move slowly. He let go of his butt, Zoe. He's sniffing around for his head. No, he's doing another butt first. Like Pauline, look at that. It's amazing. 2 times in a row, and I haven't seen this. Maybe this is a ball python thing. Well, no, something's not right. There you go. There you go, Bonsai. That is his head, my friend. Get him by the head. There we go. And that's usually what they do. That's what I've always seen them do. Let's find the head. Like that. Now he'll walk up. Like that. Yep. There he goes. Yep, that's what I've always seen him do. But boy, Pauline just took him from the butt and went with it, didn't she? Yep, and that right there is what I've always seen him do, except for twice. Once when I was in my 20s, and now. Ezra, make sure you don't move too fast. You can make noise or you can move down there, but if you get up, make sure you move very slowly.
Soren! Idiot!
I have to get my shoes.
Soren! Soren!
A little too late for fire rescue, Mr. Mouse. Pull away and try to get another angle through the screen from the side.
Come on, son. Hey, dude, you don't drive, you use the wheels. It helps. First mice we fed them were kind of largish hoppers. These are smallish, full-grown mice. It looks like these guys are handling it just fine. Mouth is definitely stretched more open than it was last time. These guys are extremely tame, allowing me to get this close with the phone. I'm about a foot away, 10 inches. Once again, you see that throat. He's working his throat muscles, just teasing it on down. So
Amazing how they just stretch right over their meal. You see that walking it, squeezing it down. Little by little. And there's the neighbors. Their culture lesson for the day. Now he's going to let his throat do the work. Not much more work for the mouth to do. Much easier when it's head first. Those mice were almost the same size, and this male Bonazi, he's significantly smaller than the female Pauline. Yet that was a much quicker eat, easier swallow. Down she goes. And he'll just ripple that thing right on down. Ooh, a nice little jaw stretch. Pauline did that a while ago too, but I missed it. We had already stopped videoing. And look, you can still see him working it down. There it goes. Working it down, working it down. And then I wonder what he's going to do now. Look around for a hide or maybe get some water. Yep, right down to that great big fat tummy. And these left more of a bulge, right, Zoe? And there's Zoe, the owner of these wonderful animals. All right. Bon appetit. Have a good nap, Bonazi. I'm trying to move slowly so as not to disturb him. Don't want him choking up his, regurgitating his dinner. Maybe he's going to use the rock hide this time, or maybe he'll crawl over there with Pauline. But he'll be definitely doing some crashing out.